Hey guys, welcome to today's video. It's been such a long time that we've just settled in and just work on our own cars. Today we're finally going back to the normal routine of vlogs. There's no more events. I'm no longer on backlog with trying to do a vlog for an event that I went to. Today we are just gonna settle in and we're finally gonna work on the Honda Accord Euro. Much needed attention with the license plate light not working, and also I'm gonna do my front door lock actuator because sometimes it just doesn't want to go up or down. I'll show you what I mean. See that? It didn't go down. It just didn't go down. Lock, unlock. It does not want to go up or down. Sometimes I'll have to manually get it down. Got the new one over here. Not new. Got it off a wrecker, so I hope this one will work just fine. I got T10s for the license plate light. This is from Illummo, so it's gonna be super bright, super white. And yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna have Ivan helping me out with the lock actuator. He's the one that knows how to do it, and I'm just there to learn. And also it's gonna rain soon, so we're kind of in a time limit.
Just want a nap.
Bruh.
Today we'll go out to the lock.
Oh yeah. Got him. Alright guys. That was like 5 minutes job.
Is it time to nap?
This is what it looks like, right? Wait.
Am I finally gonna sleep?
Yeah, that's what it looks like. And then that cable over there will connect to my door. So what's up? Really?
Are you sure? You don't say it too soon, mate.
Hey, it's a 5-minute job, yeah.
Next time you're gonna see this clip's gonna be dark, and I'm not here.
5-minute job, bro. That's what I thought I'm missing. Alright guys, so this is the old one and there's the new one. So the missing piece was this one here that connects to the door handle.
Whole idea is lock, and then you pull that handle there.
Yeah.
Unlock. This should lock. This mechanism makes gets up and down where your complaint is anyway. It's the old one. Right? See, it's not releasing.
Yeah.
So internally,
It's not releasing from this one here, guys. If this is not moving.
Internally, that spring is not anything.
That should move right there. Now we put it in, and I'm not gonna film this part, so let's go. All right, everything's back in. This is the new one. Only reason why I'm recording this part is for you guys. If you guys are ever attempting this, I had trouble with this window liner here, and I couldn't get my actuator in. So what I did was I loosened this bolt so I can kind of have this wiggling around, so I can push it that way and fit in my new actuator. That's just the #1 tip I got for you. Besides that, I'm gonna put all these trim pieces in. I'll see you there. All right, that was a 5-minute job or what? I got all the trims back in, and gonna try it now, see if it does work or not. So I'm locking, unlocking, locking. Crap. So what's up? Really?
Are you sure? You don't say it too soon, mate.
Oh my god, it doesn't work. What do I do? Oh my god. I'm not doing right. Okay, before we freak out, it's actually working. I actually needed to close the door first, and then it will kind of, I don't know, it's working. This is the Honda Euro trick. Alright, here she is. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Windows are good. Windows went down. Lock, unlock, and she's fixed. Now onto my number plate lights. They are legit, there's just no lights working right now. It's dark at night. Pretty illegal in any country, I reckon, but I am surprised I've never got put over. This is not a how-to YouTube video because I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm honestly just winging all this. I had Ivan help me out with the door actuator, but he actually went off to have his nap, and I put it all in together, and yeah, it works. So now I'm gonna do this number plate light and just trying to figure out what to do. This kind of reminds me of the video I did with the EK where I changed the dirt brake light. So kind of like a deja vu. Guys, if you have spare money, you can get these trim tools that I've always been using. This is Ivan's set. He's got the snap on because he's a baller like that. I have a set in my chaser and it's from eBay, and these stuff that I personally hate doing, trim removers just make your life 10 times easier, because just look at this, it'll come off. See that? Don't have to use a flathead anymore, you just use a trim remover, guys. So upgrade your tools because it will save your time. After some YouTubing, this is not the way he did it, by the way, I just got impatient. Look at that difference, holy moly. LEDs look so sick, man. They are bright, they're working. I'm so keen to see this at night. Dang, it really looks bright in daytime. Looking sick. Alright, what a day. We are winning so far. It has never been this smooth on working on a car, so I don't want to jinx it. We're gonna move on to the next thing, and that is the first mod for the Euro. The first ever mod we're gonna do. I mean, the lights are kind of a mod, but this is the ultimate mod that any Honda owners should have. I'll meet you at the engine bay. Hi guys, welcome to the engine bay. Can you guys guess what mod I'm gonna do next? What mod can I do first? The first ever mod for the Honda. No, it's not a pod filter today, sorry. Can you guess? Boom, it's a genuine spoon wristband is what I call it, but we're gonna put it on the brake fluid, or we're gonna put it on power steering fluid. This is what every Honda boy should do, right? Alright guys, there you have it. First time working on the Honda Euro. Many more to come. If you got any suggestions on what mods I should do next, comment down below. I do have some plans. I do have wheels lined up. There are some things for the chaser soon, but I'm just waiting on parts to come. And once they come, then I'll do everything at once. And yeah, today it was just all about my daily. I'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.